Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the last classes we are discussing the exercise 2.2. So today we are going to discuss, continue this exercise. So before going that, I will explain in the last classes I will explain Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Okay students, so now I will explain the converse of BPT or converse of Thales theorem. So I will explain it, I will not prove in that. So I will explain it. See students, Thales theorem means if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects the other two sides in a distinct point. See, ABC is one of the triangle. I will draw the EF. I will draw the one side of a triangle in parallel to one side of a triangle. I will draw BC is parallel to EF. Correct. Then intersect at the other two sides in a distinct point. AB intersect at E. AC intersect at F. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That means AE by EB, correct? AE by EB and AF by FC. AF by FC. So like this we are proved in the last classes. This is called as Thales theorem. Converse of Thales theorem means, or converse of basic proportionality or BPT means, dear students, if a line is divided into two squares, ABC is one of the triangle. In this, a line is divided into the two sides are in the same ratio. For example, C is there, this is E and this is F. Already divided. EE by EB, it is equal to AF by FC. AF by FC. Correct. Here they are given the parallel. Correct. Here EF is parallel to BC. When one of the triangle, the line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then it intersects the other two sides in a distinct point. Then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. In the converse means ulta. Means in a triangle, if a line is drawn, if a line is divided in the two sides in a same ratio, that means AE by EB is equal to AF by FC, already divided in the same ratio. Okay, so then it become EF is parallel to BC. Okay, see, first EF is parallel to BC. When EF is parallel to BC, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here the already divided in the same ratio, then it become EF is parallel to BC. Okay, see students, one triangle ಗೆ ಒಂದು sides ಗೆ ನಾವು parallel line draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ other two sides ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ proving the converse of what? Thales theorem or BPT theorem. In next classes we are proving the converse of BPT. Okay, now I am not doing. I will go to the exercise, continue the exercise 2.2. Are you understand? So what is the converse of BPT and BPT? So why I am telling this? So these questions we are proving according to the converse of BPT. Okay, that's why I will show it. Yes students, now exercise 2.2 fifth main up to fourth already over in the previous classes. So fifth, in the figure DE is parallel to OQ. Yes, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. So we want to prove it, show that, yes, can you show that EF is parallel to QR. That means EF is parallel to QR. Okay, see here, first I will draw the diagram. P, Q, and this is R, and this is D. Sorry, this is now This is D, this is O, this is E, and this is F. Yes. Okay, students. See, in the triangle, in the given figure, see DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. These two are parallel, and these two are parallel. DF is parallel to OR. We want to prove that EF is parallel to QR. Okay. See, students. First question number, how much? Fifth one. Solution. So first I will write the given. What they are given? DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. This is given. Next, to prove, what we have to prove it? To prove EF is parallel to QR. EF is parallel to QR. Correct. Next, proof. See, students, first what they have given? DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Therefore, I will consider the triangle POQ. Okay. In triangle POQ, here DE is parallel to OQ because of given. Correct. In that given. So, when one of the triangle, see, the line drawn parallel to a line is parallel to one side of a triangle. So, therefore, I will use the BPT. See here, PE theorem. There's theorem. When line parallel to one side of a triangle are intersect the other two sides in a distance point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Therefore, PE by EQ, it is equal to PO by OD. PD by DO. This is D. PD by DO. So call it as number 1. Next, in triangle, next one they are given DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Nothing but we have to consider in triangle POR. So again using the BPT, by BPT, this is this proportionality theorem. So here again using the BPT, PF by FR, PF by FR, it is equal to PD by DO, PD by DO. Okay, PF by FR, it is equal to PD by DO. Call it as number 2. So again this is by BPT. Okay. So next one, from 1 and 2 we should consider it. From 1 and 2. So what will happen? So PD by DO get cancelled. Remaining PE by EQ, PF by FR are equating. So PE by EQ, it is equal to PF by FR. Okay, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So is nothing but, see students, PE by EQ and PF by FR. See, PE by EQ and PF by FR. So this is converse of BPT. So therefore EF is parallel to QR. So this is converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Understands? In a triangle, a line is divided in the two sides are divided in the same ratio. Then the other sides is parallel. This line is parallel to the third side. Understand? Therefore EF is parallel to QR. Converse of BPT. Understand? So like this we have to prove it. So shall we go to the 6th question? Same like this only is there. In figure A, B, C are points on OP, OQ, OR. Okay, A is lies on OP, B is lies on OQ, and C is lies on OR, respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AB is parallel to PQ, and AC is parallel to PR. Then we have to show that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. Same this like this only we have to prove it. See students, first I will write the diagram. P, Q, and this is R. This is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is O. Correct. Now, see, A, B, C are lies on P, O, O, Q, and O respectively. AB is parallel to PQ. Correct. That's why I will show same problem. So, same questions in the previous question. So, first PB, AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, we have to consider POQ. And then AC is parallel to PR. Then again, we have to use this triangle POR. Okay. Yes. Given, what they are given? AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. Now, to prove, so what we have to prove it? BC is parallel to QR. Okay. Proof. So students, in triangle, which triangle we have to use it? First, given AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, AB is parallel to PQ means POQ. In triangle POQ, here AB is parallel to PQ because of given. So therefore, AB is parallel to PQ means we have to use the BPT. So PA by AO, it is equal to PA by AO, it is equal to OB by BQ. OB by BQ. Equation number 1 by BPT. Next one. So, like this, AC is parallel to PR. So, we have to consider POR. In triangle POR. So, therefore, AC is parallel to PR. So, because of given. So, again, apply the BPT. So, PA by AO and OC by CR. Yes, PA by AO, it is equal to OC by OR. OC by OR, coordinate number 2, again by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. So consider 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2. See, PA by AO get cancelled, remaining OB by OQ. OB by OQ, it is equal to OC by OR. OC by OR. Okay. Now look at one figure. OB by OQ. OB by OB by BQ, not OQ. OB by BQ. This is OB by BQ and OC by OR. See, OB by BQ and OC by CR. So it means BC is parallel to QR because BC is parallel to QR because of converse of BPT. Converse of BPT. Understand? So when the two sides are divided in the same ratio, then the other sides are parallel to each other. Okay, this is converse of BPT. Therefore, BC is parallel to QR. Hence the proof. So next question number 9. 7th and 8th is question is there as it is in the theorems. You have to do in your home. Okay. Next I will go to the question number 9. Question number ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O, so that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This friends. First one of the trapezium, we will draw the trapezium. Okay, this is A, B, C and D. One of the trapezium. The diagonals are intersect each other at the point O. Now, okay, show that AO by BO, it is equal to CO by DO, CO by DO. Okay. So, first given I will write down. Question number how much? 9th one. Given. What they are given first? AB, ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. Next, to prove what we have to prove it. See, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. AO by BO, it is equal to CO by DO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Now, so small construction I will do it. Construction is there. What is the construction? Draw EF is parallel to AB and also BC. Draw EF is parallel to AB and also AB and CD. Currently we have to write here. AB is parallel to AB and also CD. So meeting E at AD and CF at BC. So this is constructions. What is the construction? I will draw the AF line is parallel to AB as well as DC. E is intersect at AD and F is intersect at BC. Now proof. See students. So first I will consider ADC in triangle ADC because we have to prove that AO by BO. Therefore AO and BO is there. First you have to consider this triangle after this triangle. Okay. So ADC is there. So in that ADC, EO is parallel to DC. Can I write EO is parallel to DC? Correct? And next, when one triangle is there, EO is parallel to DC, you have to easily apply the BPT. What is the BPT? AE by ED, it is equal to AO by OC. AO by OC. Okay? AE by ED, AO by OC. Next, equation number 1 by BPT. BPT. Okay? So next one, this triangle ADB take or ABD. In triangle ABD, in that EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB because of construction. Okay, this is also construction. Next, EO is parallel to AB. We have to apply the again BPT. AE by ED. AE by ED. It is equal to BO by OD. BO by OD. Contact number 2 by BPT. Now, from 1 and 2 we should consider it. From 1 and 2 you have to consider it. So here AE by ED get cancelled, remaining AO by OC. AO by OC, it is equal to BO by OD. BO by OD. But our proving what we have to prove, AO by BO. Here AO by OC is there. Correct. Here BO you want to here, OC you have to send here. Okay. Exchange it. So AO by you have to replace it. So OC instead of you have to write BD. BO is not BO. AO by OC have to send to the RHS. BO have to send to the LHS. So next AO by BO it is equal to OC have to send here OC by OD. Okay. Hence the proof. OC are same, CO are same. Okay. OD or DO both are same. Okay. So like this you have to prove it. So like that question number 10 is there. You have to solve it. Understand? Yes. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, show that ABCD is a trapezium. Yes students, same questions. We have to draw the one of the quadrilateral. This is what? Trapezium. Okay. So A, B, C and D. So the diagonals are intersect each other at the point O. Now such that AO by BO, AO by BO and CO by DO, they are given already. We have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is become trapezium. ABCD is, first of all, it is like one of the quadrilateral, but we want to prove it. This ABCD is become a trapezium. If you want to prove that ABCD is a trapezium or any quadrilateral to become a trapezium, in that the one pair of sides are parallel, then it is become a trapezium. Okay. So we want to prove it. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Yes. First, given question number 10. Given, we have to write down. What is the given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Right. And then AO by BO such that AO by BO it is equal to CO by DO. Okay. Now show that ABCD is a trapezium. To prove ABCD is a trapezium. So small construction I am doing that. See, EO I will draw. EO is parallel to EO is parallel to AB and DC. Okay. So next, proof. So first of all, ABD or ADC. Okay. So in that, so I will take ABD in triangle ABD. Okay. ABD. Next, in that EO is parallel to AB. Correct. EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB because of construction. Next, so now I can apply the BPT. What? AE by ED, AE by ED, it is equal to BO by OD, BO by OD. So now AO by BO and CO by DO they are given. So this is equation number 1. So next, okay, AE by ED and DO by OD, and then so current is number 1, but because of my BPT. So next, AE by ED is equal to BO by BD, equation number 1, and then consider what they are given. AO by BO such that AO by BO it is equal to CO by DO, CO by DO. Okay. So now this is given. Okay. See students, BO by OD, here BO, so OD have to send here, AO have to send here, replace them. So OD or DO, both are same. I will write OD by BO or DO. OD by DO as it is right now. So AO I will send to the RHS, DO I will send to the LHS. So DO instead of replace the AO replace the DO. It is equal to CO by AO. AO I have to send here. Now, dear students, see BO by OD, sorry, OD, do one thing, OD by OD by BO, here BO by OD is there, you have to replace it. So numerator become denominator, denominator will become numerator. It becomes BO by OD, it is equal to AO by CO. Call it as number 2. See, BO by OD, BO by OD, and here AE by ED, AO by CO. So you have to equate it from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, you should consider from 1 and 2, BO by OD, BO by OD get cancelled. So remind AE by ED, it is equal to AE by ED, it is equal to AO by CO. AO by CO. So, see students, in the figure, AE by ED is equal to AO by OC or CO, both are same. Therefore, it is concluded that so EO is parallel to DC, correct? Because of converse of VPP, correct? So EO is parallel to DC and also EO is also parallel to AB. AB is also parallel to EO by construction, correct? EO is also parallel to DC and EO is parallel to AB. Therefore, EO is parallel to both AB and CD or DC. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD or DC. Okay, AO is parallel to AB is parallel to CD. Therefore, this is converse of VPT. So this is AB is parallel to CD. So when in any quadrilateral, so when one pair of sides are parallel, then it becomes that quadrilateral, it becomes a trapezium. Directly we have to write ABCD is a trapezium. That's the proof. Understand students? So like this we have to proving the problems. So very important questions. They are asking 2 marks questions. Okay. Thank you students. In the next classes we are discussing the next criteria of similar triangles and related to problems. Okay. Thank you.